Good afternoon. Doing a little exploring today. I've ridden over the hill from Singigi about 5-6k toward I think it's called Nabi Beach, and there looks to be lots of people looking for shellfish over there. So I'm going to have to go and pester them and ask them what they're doing shortly. Never turn down free food. And the beachfront up there is kind of dominated by a private hotel and bar, so it's sort of an exclusive clubby thing. But they don't mind you. I just walk through the hotel. Nobody seems to complain, so I guess it's okay. And on the way, I dropped by a roadside stall and got a little snack. This was 15,000, about $1. Chicken, some biscuits, some sauce, some cucumber. So I'll leave you to it, and I'll get into my dinner. Right, see you.